I'm Dr. Kelli Wilson, and I am very excited to bring to you this 1-hour lecture. Did you know that 1 in 4 adults are diagnosed with constipation in their lifetime? And also a fun fact, people with functional gastrointestinal disorders can perceive pain more acutely than those that do not. So with that high amount of prevalence in your clinic and the way that they're having a dysfunctional perceived pain pattern, you really need to hone in on what the etiology of constipation is and how to educate your patients properly to help reduce this dysfunction. Chronic constipation can certainly confound and impact long-standing diagnoses such as low back pain, groin pain, abdominal pain, pelvic pain. So please join me for my 1-hour webinar that's going to include some orthopedic techniques and myofascial release to help with assisting and reducing constipation with your population to allow for a better patient outcome and to expand your clinical practice. I cannot wait to see you. Please join me.